Morning. It's 4:22 a.m. right now. And it's Spartan day today. Wala pa akong tulog. I'll probably sleep sa biyahe. And this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Merrell slippers. Let's go! It's cold. Kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan na ako. Wala rin kasing training. Pero 21k yan to. Grabe. Sabi ko. Akala ko talaga mamamatay na ako. Ang lala. Yung elevations talaga super.